Hey there, do you have a pond that's looking a little stagnant? Are you struggling with organic buildup or maybe worrying about the health of your fish? Have you considered aeration for your pond? And if so, is it in a location that's too remote for power? Stick around to figure out what options you may have. I'm Patrick Whitson, the Aeration Supervisor here at Aquatic Control. Pond aeration is a critical part of a healthy aquatic ecosystem. It's all about getting vital oxygen into the water. But for remote ponds, getting power out there can be a tough problem. That's where solar aeration comes in. In this video, we're going to explain exactly how solar aeration works, highlight its benefits, especially for far off locations, and show you just how simple setting it up can be. So what exactly is solar pond aeration? Simply put, it's a system that uses energy from the sun to power an air compressor. The compressor then pumps through a hose to a diffuser placed at the bottom of the pond. The diffusers release tiny bubbles that rise, mechanically lifting water and circulating it top to bottom, transferring oxygen deep into the water column. The core components are the solar panels, which capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, a charge controller and often a battery pack to store energy for the unit's operation even when the sun isn't shining, and of course the air compressor and diffusers that do the work of getting air into your water. It's clean, self-sufficient system, but does require plenty of direct sunlight during the day. Now, let's talk about why solar aeration is such a powerful tool. The most obvious benefit is the fact that it does not need electricity to work. For ponds far from existing power lines, solar power eliminates the need for expensive trenching and electrical work. You can have a fully functioning aeration system virtually anywhere that the sun shines. It's also incredibly environmentally friendly. You're using a renewable energy resource, reducing your carbon footprint, and promoting a healthier planet while you improve your pond's health. Of course, there is the question, how much do these systems cost? Well, there's definitely more upfront cost. But while the initial investment might be higher than a standard electric system, your operating costs are essentially zero, which means your monthly electric bills, nothing to worry about. Over time, this can lead to a significant return on initial investment. The main benefit is a healthier pond. Aeration helps break down organic matter, reduces muck buildup, minimizes algae blooms, and creates a much better environment for fish and other aquatic life. This means clearer water, fewer odors, and a thriving ecosystem. Often, you'll see changes beginning within days of system startup, though each pond will have a different timeline for improvement. With increased oxygen levels, you'll begin to see and experience things like better fishing, increased fish growth, reduced odors from the pond, and possibly reduction in algae blooms. While many systems are designed for do-it-yourself installation, especially smaller ones, for larger ponds or more complex setups, professional installation, like the kind we provide here at Aquatic Control, can ensure everything is optimized for performance and longevity. A couple of things to consider when choosing a system are the size, depth, and shape of your pond, the amount of sunlight your location receives, and whether you're going to need 24/7 aeration. 24/7 aeration would require a battery backup solar aeration system, and we highly recommend that. So, if you have a pond, especially one in a remote location, and you're looking for an effective, environmentally friendly, and ultimately cost-effective way to improve its health and appearance, solar aeration is definitely worth exploring. Here at Aquatic Control, we're ready to help you find the right solar solution. To learn more about our solar aeration systems and to find the right solution for your pond, visit our website at aquaticcontrol.com or check out the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on pond management and sustainable solutions from Aquatic Control. We'll see you in the next video.